So welcome. So in this video we shall consider the higher transition probability and the Chapman-Kolmogorov equation, which is the most important in finding the higher transition probability. In my previous video I have already given the what is a Markov chain and what is a transition probability matrix. So let us start the higher transition probability. So higher transition probability so we know that Pij, this is the probability that the system at time n plus 1 goes to the state j, given that at time n the system was in state I. That means the system goes from I to j with only one step. So this is Pij, it is the one step transition probability. Now let us consider a system in which the system goes to the state j in two steps and in xn equal to j. That means at time n it was in state I. So at time n the system was in state I. So now if we find this probability, that probability xn plus 2 equal to j given xn equal to I, that means the system goes from I to j in two steps. So this we denote as Pij2. So that means similarly, if the system goes from the state I to state j in n steps, we write this as Pijn. So this is two-step transition probability and this is n-step transition probability. Now consider a special case when we have to find the two-step transition probability. So that means Pij2, that is equal to probability that the system goes to state j in two steps from the state I. So this is at time n the system is in state I. At time n plus 2 the system is in state j. So that means the system goes from state I to state j in two steps. So there is an intermediate step here. This is n plus 1th step. Let the system goes from I to R and then R to j. R is the intermediate state. So that means here Pij2, that is equal to probability xn plus 2 equal to j given xn equal to I. Now that is equal to probability xn plus 2 equal to j, and at n plus 1th time it goes to state r, given that at time n it was in I. So r is fixed. R is a fixed state. So now this probability is equal to the probability xn plus 2 equal to j, given x plus 1 equal to r, into probability x n plus 1 equal to r, given xn equal to I. So that is equal to, here p r j into p I r. So r is fixed. Fixed state. So here for a particular state R, this is the probability. This is the probability. Now if we can write for any state R, for any state R, R is intermediate state. We have P I j 2, that is equal to, we can take the summation over R. R belongs to S. S is the state space. P I R into P R j. S is the state space. So now this the probability of transition from state I to state j in 2 steps. So Pij 2, it is a 2-step transition probability. It is a 2-step transition probability. So now let us generalize this. Let us write P I j m plus 1. So that means the system goes from state I to state j in m plus 1 steps. So that is, this is equal to probability x n plus m plus 1 equal to j, given xn equal to I. That means at time n the system was in I, and after m plus 1 number of steps the system goes to state j. Now this will be equal to, so that means at time n the system is in state I, and at time n plus m plus 1 this system is in j. So let, before this, at time, suppose n plus m before reaching the state J, system was in state R. So that means n to I to R, the system goes in how many steps? This is in m steps, and this is R to J, only one step. So now we can find out this. Now this probability P I J in m plus 1 steps, this is equal to probability x n plus m plus 1 equal to j given xn equal to I. Now this is equal to summation over R belongs to S, probability x n plus m plus 1 equal to j and x n plus m equal to R given xn equal to I. Now this will be equal to summation R belongs to S. This is the probability x n plus m plus 1 equal to j given n plus m equal to R into probability x n plus m equal to R given xn equal to I. Now this is equal to summation R belongs to S. This will be probability state R to state J. So this is n plus m. This is n plus m plus 1. That means the system goes from the state R to state J only in one step. So this is only PRJ, PRJ1 or PRJ. This is in only one step into. So this is here the system goes from state I at n and n plus m at time n plus m, it is in R. So that means it goes from I to R in m steps. So this will be P I to R. So this R belongs to S, P I R m into PRJ1. PRJ1 is same PRJ. Now here we get this Pijm plus n equal to PIRM into PRJ1. So in general, we can generalize this. In place of 1, we can write n. So this will be Pij. So we can write this Pij. This is m plus n. So this will be equal to summation over R belongs to S P I R in m steps into P R J n steps. So total number of steps from I to state j is m plus n. So if the state space that is equal to S, that is equal to 0, 1, 2 up to n, then P I j m plus n, that is equal to summation r equal to 0 to n P I R m into P R J n. So this equation is known as the Chapman-Kolmogorov equation. Chapman-Kolmogorov equation. Now from here, in order to find this n-step transition probability, that is P I j, suppose n, that means the probability the system n plus m equal to j given xm equal to I. That means the system goes from state I to state j in n steps. So this is equal to this ijth element of p to the power n. P is the transition probability matrix. So let us check an example. Let us go through an example. So consider a Markov chain . So consider a Markov chain Xn n greater than equal to 0 with state space S equal to 0, 1, 2 and transition probability matrix P equal to, suppose this is half 0, then half 0, half, then 0, half. So this is P. Now consider P square, that is equal to P into P. If we multiply, this will be half 0, half 0, half 0, half into again this half 0, half 0, half, then 0, half. This will be equal to, this will be half 1 by 4, then 1 by 4, half 1 by 4, then half 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Now this is equal to, this is P 0, 0, 2, P 0, 1, 2, then P 0, 2, 2. So this will be P 1, 0, 2, P 1, 1, to P1 to 2, and this will be P20 to P21 to P222. So we find the suppose P10 to P10 to this. The corresponding element here in P square is 1 by 4. So this is equal to 1 by 4. Now this gives the probability that the system after n steps, n plus 2 steps, goes from state 1 to state 0, giving that xn equal to 1. So this is the two-step transition probability. Similarly, we can find by equating here the corresponding elements, we can get all the two-step transition probability. Similarly, to find the three-step transition probability, we can find e to the power 3, that is equal to p into p into p. If you find this, then we can see this will be equal to 3 by 8 and then 1 by 4, and here 3 by 8, 1 by 4, 3 by 8. So this will be 1 by 4, 3 by 8, 3 by 8. So similarly, P here, this is equal to P003, this is P013, so this is P023. So this will be P103, P113, P123, and this is P203, this is P213, and this will be P223. Now we can see P103, that will be equal to 3 by 8. That means this is the probability that x n plus 3 equal to 0, given xn equal to 1. That means the system goes from state 1 to state 0, state 1 to state 0 in 3 steps. So this e to the power 3, this gives 3-step transition probability. So now you can try another example. Consider a Markov chain xn n greater than equal to 0 with state space s equal to 0, 1, 2 and transition probability matrix P equal to suppose this is 1/4, 1/4, this is 1/2, this is 1/2, 0, 1/2, and this is 1/4, 1/2, 1/4. So this you can find out P213, P113, and P202. You can try it. So thank you for enjoying the lecture.